Okay, I'm going to quickly teach you how to successfully commit files to a Git repository. It's actually really easy. First, we create a new repository. I'm just going to call it example because I don't really need to do anything else. I'm just going to make this private. You can untick this and create a repository. Simple. Now, this is your repository, this is where you'll store your files, and this is where you'll be able to access them. Then, just copy this link. Control C, and then go to Git Bash. If you don't have it, just download it. Very easy. Now, in Git Bash, you're going to have to know two very simple commands: cd and ls. cd allows you to navigate through the files. So for example, cd desktop, and now it goes to the desktop. And ls allows you to view all of the files or folders, whatever you like to call it, in that certain destination. Now we have to, navigate all the way to the folder that you want to upload to your repository. So cd desktop and cd example folder. But the problem with this is if you do like one word, so wait one sec, let me go back. If you do one word like desktop, beautiful, you don't have to put any quotation marks. However, if you need to do two words and there's like a space separating them, then put them in quotation marks. So cd example folder. Oh no, maybe it's example file. Yeah, okay, example file. I messed up the naming. Anyway, so cd example file. And I'm able to view what's in the sample file, and it's just example.txt. Now after I do this, I need to initialize it. So git init, and boom, initialized empty repository. Oh, by the way, cd minus allows you to go backwards, so you can navigate backwards as well in case you made a mistake and went into the wrong folder. Anyway, now after you initialize, you can git remote add origin and paste that link. Okay, it's gonna go back here, copy and paste the link. You have to manually paste it using your mouse. You can't really do the shortcut. I've tried. Anyway, you add this, you add it, this link, so now it'll go to this certain place, this certain repository. And after you do this, add it to Git, and you're going to be able to commit. So now you do git commit -m message, and you type your message. First message is just going to be hey, and it should commit. But now to push it to the folder, we write git push origin master. It gets the master directory and sends it to the origin, which is the repository. So boom, and it does this. But oh no, yeah, we just have to log in. So really quickly log in. Okay, I've logged in. Now it pushes everything, and boom, new branch, master to master, blah 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 blah. And now you can close Git Bash. You can do whatever you want. You close it. Just restart. Reload this page. Boom. Committed. Yeah. Here is my commit message, and yeah, pretty much view everything in here. It's pretty cool, right? And if you commit again, but with slightly different things, and you've made a few changes in the files, it will show you every single change. Anyway, I hope this video helped you, and yeah, thank you.